Well, let's see. My audio doesn't seem quite right. Let me check my stream, just to be sure. And while I'm doing that, I'm also installing the latest version, which we just completed. Whoa, shit, Christ. Oof. Which we committed in the last segment. So, let's have a look. Come on, loading video, it cannot take that. While I'm doing that, I'm also installing the... Okay, fine, we have audio. And it seems to be perfect. Sorry, I'm clearing my throat all the time. I am now sufficiently full of potatoes and gravy and some pork. Okay, app installed. Let's have a look. I wish I had some kind of way to broadcast this. How does Chromecast work? Can I like broadcast stuff from my phone screen to somewhere? That would be useful. Let's see. Oh wow. The what's that? Frame rate is shit, or something is kind of funky when I'm throwing. Let's see. Throw. Yeah, the last frames look kind of crap. Let's see. It is generally smooth. I'm not sure what is happening there, what is pissing me off about that. Oops. There's something kind of annoying going on with it. Maybe. Yeah, there's something funny happening with the camera just at the end. I'm not sure if it's possible to show this properly here, but I'll try. Edit scene, and let's embiggen that. Let's see, I'll get my... Whoops. Yeah, it's not quite that crappy on my... Yeah, the stream makes it even worse, or rather the webcam, because... Yeah, the webcam makes it even worse, so it's hard to show what I'm meaning. But yeah, it's not quite smooth to be. Yeah, that's for sure. Well, and off I go to the corner. So, I think I'll be done for today in about an hour. And I'm thinking of things to do on this last segment. It's playable now. It's possible to play a game. So, oh, that's... Let's see if we can, in an hour, or rather, let's see, if we can, in half an hour, add final touches here to these panels, so that, let's see, not there, but in the HUD, P1 HUD and P2 HUD. So we could set these colors to something sensible. What would be some kind of green would be, I guess, kind of neat. No, that's not very good. Light green, kind of like that. Oh, well, I guess that green would be okay. So yeah, let's put it there for now. So for the game state scripts, we are going to add those HUD things there. And we will color the one green that is active. So public P1 HUD and P2 HUD. And let's make them images. So, and public color active HUD color and inactive HUD color. Let's see. Shall we get game state? I'm sorry. Yeah. After eating, I seem to have. Yeah. Oh, hey, cool. The graphics artist has done some cool stuff here, which I don't know even what it is. Reflection probes. Okay, active HUD color. That should be like white. No. Active was like some kind of red. I want to make it tad. I don't know. Like so, maybe. And alpha. I'm not sure what the alpha on that one was. Maybe like 60. Let's have a look at it. Because oh, that's 100. Okay. Game states and alpha 100. Still looks a bit weird. Huh. I guess bit darker like that, maybe. Yeah, that looks fine. And that is 100. And same for here. Let's make it white and 100. And player 1 HUD is here, and player 1 HUD, player 2 HUD is there. And then when we are changing the game states, swap player. Let's just put, because if we are in practice mode, we will always show this. Player 1. That's fine. Player 1. Okay. And let's see. Change HUD colors. That's private function. And if current player is 1, then HUD 1, no. hot, no, P1 hot color is active hot color. Is that correct? Okay, and P2 hot color is inactive hot color. And else P1 hot color is inactive hot color, and P2 is of course the opposite. That should do that. And yeah, there shouldn't be any edge cases. Let's see, once it's compiled. Let's try it, 2-player 301. Yeah, it's actually very similar to that annoying graphics problem when it's hitting there. Yeah, just at the last frames it does some kind of annoying jitter. Oh yeah, I forgot to what? The hot colors are... What? It's player 1 again, what the diddly do? P1 inactive, P2 active. Current player is 1. Oh, I'm calling it that. Yeah, I'm calling it in a stupid place. What the hell, man? You're an idiot. Yeah, finally changed the hot colors. There we go. Actually, let's have a look. Where is the profiler and how do you use it? Put it here. And... two-player 301. Wait for targets. I wonder what that overhead means, because that's like 75% right at the time when I consider it doing something stupid. Okay. What is the second most thingiest thing there? GFX wait for something. Okay. Let's stop recording. Total. Oh, this is kind of hard to use. Okay. Drawing. Okay, so most of the stuff is used in camera rendering and well, mostly of course idle. But let's find... Is there a hotkey for this profiler record? Unity profiler. Hey, yeah, let's actually look what this overhead is. Causes of overheads. It's not so hot. I've been being full from the doesn't explain what the overhead is. Okay, so we should ignore that most likely. But yeah, what I was actually looking for was Unity profiler hotkeys. And oh, actually, profiler. Well, let's have a look. Profiler. No, there's no key to start it. But Unity start profiling from code. Okay, cool. You can add custom profiler sections. Okay, good. Let's add that to the throw script. So when we launch, that is the most important part, is when it's in flight, to have that smooth. So profiler start, no, what was it called? Begin sample throw. Okay, that's it, and we stop the profiling when the dart hits or starts hitting, or maybe after hit. Play hit sounds. Well, just before we do anything on the collision. No, end sample. End sample, and then let's do another profiling for profiler search begin sample post throw. Like what happens from the hit until the delayed thing is done. Well, until we get back to the camera, main camera. And if you don't know what profiling is, it's really good tool for optimizing your stuff, because you can actually see where the time is used while executing the actual code. Oh, what was that? In sample. And there are different types of profilers, and seeing that this doesn't really affect all that much the performance of the game just by running the profiler, I think this is a sampling profiler, which means that it's continuously just checking where is it going, and then taking like averages or showing how many times it hits in what place. There are other kinds of profilers which actually record each and every function call and so on, but those are really heavy on execution, so it's yeah. Oh, that's bad. You cannot have different named profiler samples running at the same time, because end sample will just end it. But that's okay. In this case, it might be bad in some more complicated case. Okay, so do I need to do something here now? Let's see, how do I reset this? Hierarchy frame debugger. How do I reset profiler? Maybe it just resets when I start it again. Okay. Is it running? Is it doing something? See? And profiler on and off. Okay, I guess I need to still start recording. And now we should have the different sample things. Unless we crashed here. Tile GPU perf warning. Wow. Okay. I have a feeling that we broke the thing, which would be really annoying. I'm going to try and stop the game from running. I hope I can get to save. Yeah. Let's read the manual of the profiling things. Begin profiling a piece of code with a custom label. This will show up in the profiler hierarchy. Is conditionally compiled away using the conditional attribute. Thus, it will have zero overhead when it is deployed in non-development builds. Let's see. Okay. But it seems that it's either really slow and we just have to be really patient with it, or it just crashed. Huh. Well, that's bad. That is bad. Yeah, I don't feel like waiting for it. So let's just kill it. Switch to... Nope. I guess we're just going to kill it. I hope we didn't lose all that much stuff. Yeah, back off. Unity. Just checking the time. We have time to publish this today, or maybe I should just wait until tomorrow and publish this after a bit more testing, because on the evening, or well, like in an hour, I will be going to my house and do some sanding of the walls and stuff from all the soot and other shit from the fire. So yeah, and on the breaks I might play this and test stuff out. Okay, it looks like the profiler stuff pretty much broke. Oh shit, so we have to get rid of that. begin sample. Oh, I found that was all. Let's find out profiler. Yeah, still one here. Profile, yeah, let's remove that also. Let's also just have a look at the warnings we get while we are running. Hello. Two players, 301. Null reference exceptions. I guess I forgot to. Oh yeah, right. The HUD things. I forgot to save. You should always save before. Oh Christ almighty, that's way too bright. Like so maybe. You should always save before you try something you haven't tried before with Unity, because that's always when you find out the strange crash bugs. And now I forgot I was in running mode. So P2 HUD, and then let's take the green from about there. 155, 0, 100, it's fine. White, 100, that's fine. Okay, save. Okay, let's try that again. So, 2 player, 301, and let's throw and see if we get some warnings at that point. Okay, so there's actually performance warnings right when it's having bad time. Color surface was not clear, discarded doing run with profile. What? Graphic splits. Image effects, depth of field deprecated blur. Ah. Well, let's save and try with the profiler. And you go there for now, and two player 301. And we got the warnings. And let's see. Deep profile. I wonder what that is. Oh Jesus, did I break it again? No. Yeah, fuck it. Fuck Jesus. I assume that it actually needs a hell of a lot of memory and other resources. No? Okay. Disable that? Okay, good. Let's see. What was the problem? Thailand GPU performance warning. Ah, okay. Now it can give a bit more information of what's going on. Color surface was not clear, discarded doing camera image effects. Depth of field. I see, so it's player head camera probably. Flare layer? I don't know. Camera image effects. Oh right, it was the other camera. Where is that? Where is that? Throw camera, there we go. Depth of field deprecated. Jesus. Do we have standard assets? Effects? Image effects? Scripts? Depth of field. Do we have a more modern depth of field here? Deprecated. And I suppose that's the new one. Okay, this is something the graphics artist has actually put here, so I'm just going to screenshot that for reference. Paint. And we'll crop that. And, well, we can just disable that for now and try to replace it with that. Where is it? Throw camera. There. And let's try adding this. Okay, this is possibly very different. Resolution. Quality only background. Focus on transform. Simple tweak. Near blur. Focal settings. Focal distance. Transform. None. Jesus. Focal distance 001 420. I think this simulates a real lens better, so focus on transform. Well, that's also kind of problematic because focus on transform. It's probably now focused way too far. Yeah. Well, let's try to find. No. Focal distance. No. 10. Aperture. No. That's exactly, I think, what I want to change.